here's 103. See?
Oh, this is 103. Got it.
So 103 takes us to the Tea Kettle Rock up by Cuba. This is still Jemez, northern part of Jemez, but this area is also known as the San Pedro Wilderness, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Which is usually very green like this.
Yeah.
We usually get a lot of rain. And
Yeah, it's
I've
always,
never really seen it very dry. It's always green.
yeah, it's always. It rains a lot up here. This is the northern edge of the Jemez Mountains. That'll be good.
If you want to. Campers over there. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff.
Another one over there.
It's beautiful.
So there were some puddles there. Did you see them? The puddles?
Yeah.
Yeah. But it's very solid, so it's okay.
Solid road.
Yeah.
I think it runs off. It's just because there are holes in it, potholes.
Yeah. Well, hi folks. This is Dave with Dave's Hikes New Mexico. My friend Randy and I are out here exploring back trails, country road trails, or mountain back roads. If I'm not hiking, this is what I like doing, just going for a drive and exploring back roads, seeing what's there. We're here in this is the northern edge of the Jemez Mountains, just east of Cuba, New Mexico. And this is a beautiful, beautiful area. It is always green. It rains a lot here. I would say most every afternoon it rains. That's what that is. Let me see. 103 that way? No, 103 this way. Right?
This way.
Yeah.
The other one is like 94 or something.
Yeah.
Different number.
Yeah.
69, it says.
Yeah. No. My gosh, they got tents. It looks like a house out there.
That's a nice setup they got.
Yeah, here's some other.
There's a lot of good campsites out here.
Yeah. Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah, that was
here.
nice over there.
But coming out here by myself, that would be kind of, I don't know if I would want to stay the night out here by myself, you know. It's too alone. What happens when the aliens come over and land?
Yeah, they want to do some experiments on you.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do?
Yeah, so it's better to come out here with somebody else, a group of people.
Yeah,
or
sure.
something.
A few people.
Yeah. But it's getting cold now, especially up here
Yep.
in the mornings. Oh my gosh.
Yep, there's somebody back over there too.
Yeah.
2 campers up there. It's a pretty rough road up there.
Yeah.
Looks like.
More like for a Jeep. Because I've always wanted to go check out that area. And that's also another place there to go camp and then hike.
For the generation of the content.
Yeah, people are making a lot of videos with AI, and so then it's not really real anymore. You could sit on your computer and make a video about anything.
Anything. Just sitting there.
Yeah, just sitting there. So it's
Just
not
prompting. Make me a video of 2 guys driving
down a dirt road.
forest road with a bunch of pretty trees and streams.
And that's it. You don't have to go anywhere. You don't have to waste gas. You're right there on your computer doing that. So there's a lot of people that are leaving YouTube because of that. And